Hey everyone! Welcome to this beginner-friendly Python tutorial. Today, we'll learn the first step in programming. Printing hello, world, and your name using Python. By the end of this video, you'll know how to print text in Python, how to take user input, and how to style your output like a pro. So, grab your keyboard, and let's dive in. Step 1. Printing hello, world. The first thing we do in any programming language is print hello, world. In Python, this is super easy. Just type print hello, world, quote. When you run this, the output will be hello, world. Step 2. Printing your name directly. Now, instead of hello, world, single quote, let's print your name. We'll store the name in a variable first. The code is name equals Vandana, print hello, name, quote exclamation mark, quote. The output will be hello, Vandana. This is because Python replaces the name variable with its actual value. Step 3. Taking user input. But what if you want the user to enter their own name instead of hard-coding it? We use input. For this, here's the code. Name equals input. Enter your name. Quote. Print hello, name, quote exclamation mark, quote. Now, when you run this, Python will ask for your name. If you type Sarah, the output will be hello, Sarah. This makes your program interactive. Step 4. Stylish output using f-strings. Want to make your output more stylish? Try Python's f-strings. Here's how. Name equals Vandana. Print f sparkles hello, name. Welcome to Python programming. Sparkles. This adds special formatting and prints. Sparkles hello, Vandana. Welcome to Python programming. Sparkles. With f-strings, you can directly insert variables inside your text. It's clean, fast, and professional. And there you have it. You just wrote your first Python program using different techniques. Now it's your turn. Try these codes and experiment with them. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.